So I want to go across first and foremost to AP Singh. Mr. Singh, you are the legal aid of Bhole Baba. Now, 123 people have died on your client's watch. They came for satsang, which was organized by Bhole Baba. How do you explain why no action so far has been taken against him? He's got the blood of 123 people on his hands. The UP police doesn't seem to be interested in acting against him. He hasn't been found officially. God alone knows where he is. And even if he's got the patronage of the UP police and they're actually taking care of him, that isn't known in the public domain. Is he being sheltered only and only because of his caste?
No, it's a totally wrong allegation. Mr. Rahul Kanwal was a renowned journalist of India. Narayan Sakarhari Bhole Baba is totally innocent. That the Samagam was already end up before 30 to 35 minutes. He depart, Bhole Baba, Narayan Sakarhari already depart from 30 to 35 minutes earlier when this incident happened. A criminal conspiracy hatched against the Narayan Sakarhari, against Manav Mangal Milan Sadbhavna Samagam. And this criminal conspiracy is regular going on. Narayan Sakarhari was not named in FIR.
Who are you blaming? Who do you think is responsible? Who hatched a conspiracy against Bhole Baba?
Some anti-social elements who may disagree with the Sanatan, who may disagree with the Hinduism, who may disagree with the slogans, speech, spiritual preachers of Narayan Sakarhari, may anti-social element. It's a matter of investigation. Investigation is going on. I fully believe, I fully faith Narayan Sakarhari, Bhole Baba, fully faith upon the investigation of SIT, UP Police, administration, government of UP Police, as well as the commission headed by retired Honorable High Court Justice and member of retired IAS, retired IPS. I fully, Narayan Sakarhari is not going abroad. He have no any passport. It's a true. I am saying before your channel, renowned news channel. He will in India, he will in ashram, he will not in any hotel, he will not in any house, he will not will search and trace out at the any airport or anywhere. Okay. When in any investigation, I assure to you on behalf of you, he will join investigation as and when required by any investigation agency, by any commission, by any authority.
Okay.
Always.
Stay with me.
The position is that if he will come forward, I make...
Arvind Kumar Jain, you've been Director General of Police in Uttar Pradesh. The advocate for Narayan Hari arguing quite predictably that the Baba did nothing wrong. I find it almost impossible to imagine that had this been someone else and if his community wasn't quite as significant and if politics wasn't important, if there weren't by-elections and later assembly elections and if the BJP wasn't on a sticky wicket, that no action would be taken against him. Do you, from a legal perspective, leave politics aside for a moment, do you not think that Bhole Baba should at the very least have been officially questioned so far? That his name not being present in the FIR by itself is highly suspicious, and it seems that there is some kind of an orchestrated effort on at the moment to protect him.
Even I was very surprised when I found out that his name is not there in FIR. I tried to find out from the officers, and their viewpoint was that he had left the venue a few minutes earlier. And it is just like a VIP meeting, election meeting, somebody comes and addresses and departs. So after that, if there is a stampede, will the speaker can be held accountable for it? This is the logic. This is not my logic. But
no, do you buy the... Sir, forget, obviously the officers in duty at the moment have to say this because that's what they need to push out. Using all the wealth of experience and your credibility, do you find this acceptable that he's not even... I'm not saying arrest him at this moment. I'm saying at the very least formally question him find out what happened, what the sequence of events was. So far, officially, he hasn't been questioned. Secondly, they're saying we're looking out for him, we don't know where he is. He's been doing interviews. He's doing interviews, so whenever he needs to appear, he's appearing. Thirdly, his name is not even there in the FIR.
FIR is always open-ended. Names can be added, names can be deleted during investigation. Investigation is being carried out by CO Kotwali Hathras, Ram Pravesh Rai, and 4 inspectors, a team of 4 inspectors. They are recording the statements, they are making the arrests, and they are doing the main job. This report of SIT and the name not figuring in FIR, I have already explained to you. I am told that notice was served for Suraj Pal by this 2-member commission headed by ADG Zone Agra. The notice was sent to DAM Hathras for serving it on Suraj Pal, but it couldn't be served. And till the time they submitted the report, he had not appeared before the
No, but
commission.
isn't that perplexing by itself? That he's doing interviews, but this notice supposedly can't be served by the UP police. Is the UP police so inept and so incompetent that they don't know where Bhole Baba is at the moment?
I was told, I found out about it. I was told that he couldn't be traced and the notice could not be served on him. Now it will be the job of the investigators who are investigating the case to serve notice and to record his statement and to fix his culpability.
AP Jain साहब, AP सिंह साहब, ये तो जो यूपी पुलिस है वो कह रही है कि भोले बाबा मिल नहीं रहे, हम उनको नोटिस नहीं दे पा रहे हैं, भोले बाबा तो इंटरव्यू करते फिर रहे हैं. तो मुझे तो लग रहा है ये पूरी दाल में कुछ काला है. ये लोग मिले हुए हैं सारे, यूपी पुलिस इनको बचा रही है, भोले बाबा इंटरव्यू दे सकते हैं लेकिन समन रिसीव नहीं कर सकते. अगर ये इतने ही पाक साफ हैं तो ये अपने आप को पेश क्यों नहीं करते यूपी पुलिस के सामने? बोलिए, पूछ लीजिए मुझे जो पूछना है, क्यों भागते फिर रहे हैं?
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं. देखिए, आप यूपी पुलिस पे आरोप भी ना लगाएं, SIT पे ना लगाएं, दोनों की निगरानी. क्या आप ऑनरेबल हाई कोर्ट रिटायर्ड जस्टिस पर भरोसा नहीं करेंगे? क्या हमारी जुडिशरी पाक साफ नहीं है? क्या वो भी दाल में काली है? बिल्कुल नहीं है. ये कोई दाल में काली मामला नहीं है, ये कोई स्कैम नहीं है, कोई घोटाला नहीं है, कोई राजनीतिक प्रेशर नहीं है, कोई पॉलिटिकल रिवेंज. हमने अपनों को खोया है, हमारे मरने वाले अपने हैं, हम आयोजक हैं. देव प्रकाश मधुकर FIR में नामजद किया. मैं बड़ी जिम्मेदारी के साथ राहुल कंवल जी कहना चाहता हूं आपके इस प्लेटफॉर्म पर, मैंने कोई एंटीसिपेटरी बिल नहीं लगाई. कोई 438 एप्लीकेशन कोई लगाएं, कोई ऑनरेबल हाई कोर्ट से, ऑनरेबल सुप्रीम कोर्ट से अरेस्टिंग स्टे मांगे, कोई लर्नर ट्रायल कोर्ट में सरेंडर एप्लीकेशन लगाए, मैंने नहीं लगाई. जैसे ही मुझे पता चला नाम में इसका आ रहा है और मैंने तुरंत उसे दिल्ली बुलाया. उसकी हालात खराब थी, उसके परिवार वालों ने कहा तो मर जाएगा, हार्ट पेशेंट है. कागज दिखाया, हमने कहा पहले इसे डॉक्टर को दिखाओ, डॉक्टर को चेकअप कराओ. कहीं अगर इसी हालात में हम पेश कर देंगे SIT के सामने, अगर उनके हाथों में जाके मर गया तो बेचारे उन पुलिस वालों की नौकरी जाएगी, उनके बच्चे वीरान हो जाएंगे. मैंने कहा झूठे वो फंस जाएंगे, कहा जाएगा कस्टडी डेथ दे दी, AP सिंह ने कोई साजिश कर दी, लॉस दे दी. लेकिन मैंने इसीलिए उसे पहले स्टेबल किया, स्टेबल के डॉक्यूमेंट लिया, डॉक्टर से ECG कराई. उसने कहा ठीक है. मैंने कहा इससे अधिक ECG अच्छी नहीं आ सकती, क्योंकि जो नाम इसका लिया गया देव प्रकाश मधुकर, ये आयोजक था. यही है, इसी ने दरिया, इसी ने कालीन, इसी ने जल व्यवस्था, इसी ने पंडाल व्यवस्था, सारा इसी ने किया. अपनी गाड़ियों पर ही लोगों को लाए और उन्हीं गाड़ियों पर फिर लाश लेके गए. लाशें भी हमारी, मरने वाले भी हमारे, आयोजक भी हमारे, हम ही आयोजक, हम पे जेल. नारायण साकारबरी हरि भी हमारे, उन्हीं पे आरोप लग रहा है.
But how is this different,
बात की जा रही है
Mr. Jain, from a case of a cinema burning in Delhi, where the management and the owners of that cinema hall were hauled over the coals, prosecuted, action taken against them because the lapse happened on their watch. They were not there watching the film at the time. But for many years, cases ran against them. Their names were in the FIR. You know, you are trying to spin it in different ways. The fact is there are enough and more instances. For example, during the COVID, when at a madrasa in Delhi, orphans were not being taken care of in keeping with COVID protocols, the Maulvi who ran that particular madrasa was acted against. Like, at least his name was there in the FIR and action was taken against him. Ultimately, he got away is a different matter, but at least an effort was made to act against him. You know, how is this different from the management of a cinema which is held responsible if people die on their watch?
It's different in one way, one very obvious way. initially the family members of the people who died during Samagam, who got injured, they were recorded. Statements of the relatives were recorded. And till the time SIT prepared the report, none of the witnesses, they deposed against Suraj Pal. And now I am told that one by one they are coming forward and their statements are being recorded by investigators. And I hope that action will be taken on the basis of those statements.